Things were disappearing, you know? I mean, we all thought we knew who was doing it, but we hadn't actually seen them stealing. And I didn't want to involve HR until I was positive. So I decided to look through their locker while they were out. But what's the big deal?
This could be a very big deal. Even though offices, cubicles, and equipment are provided by the organization, and in the broadest sense, you're just checking on company property, this sort of action could cross the line. Employers need to let employees know about the organization's right of re-entry, but also be sensitive to each individual's expectation of privacy. If this manager had been discovered looking through personal effects and desk drawers, the employee could probably make a case for invasion of privacy. Surveillance and monitoring of public places is one thing. Searches of desks, lockers, vehicles, handbags,